Hello everyone, welcome back to Weatherman Nick. So we're just finishing up this whole weather event that was pretty much a flunk. We did have one possibly major tornado TDS. Um, but this is Brandon Kopic that is in Coleman, Alabama, local, close to where I am. That's why I kind of just brought up this. Who knows what? Oh, he's going to Waffle House. Of course he is. Why not? Good chase for Waffle House. Be nice. Anyhow. Yeah, we did have a TDS, which is right here. This is the report. Train spotter reported tornado west of Smithville. Radar debris signature also present. present. And here's a significant weather advisory for Gunnersville. And pretty quiet actually. Didn't do much. No lightning, I don't think. At least I haven't seen any. Yeah, there's no lightning at all. And yeah, the only really tornado reports that were ever reported were in Mississippi. Everywhere else, well, Tennessee probably too. There's some damage in Lawrenceburg where a tornado, um, tornado touched down. And I was actually live on Facebook at the time when the tornado decidedly to touch down. So, and I was also live when the Smithville tornado decided to touch down. So, most of these storms are actually done now. And now we're just dealing with flooding issues. There's actually flooding up here on the highway. Wouldn't be surprised, I'm going to point out some places that could have flooding in North Alabama. Wouldn't be surprised if Decatur had flooding. Wouldn't be surprised if these areas had flooding. Would not be surprised, I mean, it's already under a flood warning. See? Last flood warning. So, that ends the day with tons of reports and only a few tornadoes, surprisingly. To what was supposed to be a massive outbreak was a very small one. Yep, I remember that one. Anyhow, we are gonna look in the the future, because I kind of mentioned something. I am gonna go quiet off of social media for a while after this. Okay, so it's gonna be flooding here. There's gonna be a couple rounds, so turn around, don't drown. But that gets out of here. Then one comes through about Sunday. And the really thing that I've been watching is another outbreak that will probably... Let's go back. It's gonna be another outbreak. Hopefully, I just realized something. There's music in the background. Let's see. Okay, so get through that. And I'm actually gonna share this to my Twitter. A possible another outbreak. Man, all these reports are actually... What is this? I'm about to turn off all the reports again. That is actually a good idea. Just give me 1 second. Because it's starting to get on my nerves. Okay. So, that's what that looks like. And that's the next severe outbreak that will probably happen. So while we record, I get to just show you what's going on behind scenes. What day is it going to be? It's a good question. Delete. On the 2nd of 2020. Oh, somebody texted me. Screenshot. 2022. This might just be a rainstorm, and I might be just pushing it out. Yes, I know. I don't know why I said yes, I know. I was talking to the phone. It's constantly telling me that somebody's texted me, and I know that. Usually my audio is off. But, yeah, I think that's the only thing that's going on. But let me go ahead and move on. Okay. So this is what most of the outbreak kind of continued as. It's not that bad. And there's me. And then this is the storm near Brookhaven. 2 rotations. And this is one thing. This is when we were issued under a tornado watch.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 39.
And that is actually on my YouTube Shorts. You got a couple of storms. This is on Brad's stream. Then you have, and that's the Smithville tornado, and that's a pretty bad debris ball. And here is a time lapse. Maybe I can find one of the lightning videos that I took. And this one you can actually see in the very corner that there's a flash of light. That is lightning. That's me acting cool. That's actually my new profile picture for my TikTok, not TikTok, Twitter and Facebook. And
The National Weather Service in Huntsville has issued a flash flood warning for Coleman County in north central Alabama, southeastern Morgan County in north central Alabama, Marshall County in northeastern Alabama, until 10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:21 p.m. Central Standard Time, Emergency Management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain on Huntsville Road, producing water over corridors.
That scared me. Anyhow, there was rotation in Coleman, Alabama. We're just gonna let that go off. And yeah, it was actually a pretty lonely outbreak today. Alrighty, so this is the last thing. Sorry about that. It actually went off again for a flash flood warning. I wasn't prepared for that. But we are now under a flash flood warning currently. But tornado threat is still imminent. And but most of this outbreak is over. But again, what it just said, turn around, don't drown, because it's supposed to be a lot of flooding, which is why I was just issued under a flash flood warning. So yeah, anyhow, thank you guys for watching, and talk to y'all guys another time.